But I have to ask, no, you brought it up, Sir Rafi, Sir Edwin, very controversial question. And this is just our opinion para po sa lahat ng nanonood at nakikinig sa atin. Do you still believe na may pures?
Good question. Kasi in the first place, from the time na kinuha, for example, namin ni Edwin sa original breeder, kay Mr. Dingfair, 1998, hindi naman talaga natin alam kung anong laman nun, kung saan din niya kinuha yon. Yung history nun, hindi naman natin alam kung ano talaga nakalagay doon. Diba? So, siyempre kami, as breeders, we took his word, or we take the word of the breeder, diba? And go by that. Diba? Pag sinabi niya, ito, pure Dingfair sweater. So that's it, pure Dingfair sweater, diba? So ganun din sa amin ngayon. Pure red sweater.
Pure red sweater.
Correct. Na developed na by Edwin, diba? So, mahirap magsabi na ito pure because I don't think from the beginning merong pure. Siguro yung labuyo.
Pwede yung manok sa gubat.
Oh.
How about you? Jesus Christ lang ba nakagawa ng puro?
Oo nga. Sabi ko rin umpisa, that's an overused term sa pagsasabong. People are always looking na, pure. And then, out of a picom mating, may lalabas na isang straight com, then i-criticize nila. Hindi pure nakuha ko kasi straight com, ganyan, or may konting dumi yung pa, or may green leg na tinapon yung isang yellow leg mating mo. So, what I believe is, many years ago, yun nga yung nilagay doon. Hindi natin alam kung ano na. But before we got it, it was bred by Mr. Dingfair. Sinabi niya, pure na sweater ito. So you just have to trust yung breeder na nagsabi. So we bred it, tapos bebenta mo ng gano'n. Minsan may mga haters, mga isa lang ang lumabas. Hindi pure yan nakuha ko kay Red, ganyan. Hindi nagtapon ng gano'n. They really don't understand yung history behind, nung bago na breed yan, bago natin hawakan, ng breeder na kinuna natin. So it's an overused word na masarap lang pakinggan. But everybody's trying to develop a superior rooster na mananalo sa pit. And in order to do that, you have to have the right crosses. Cross ka sa iba, cross ka sa ganito. Pagka sila sila, okay, yun na may maintain mo. But you have to try another line para mananalo sila kasi nagbabago yung labanan eh. Nagbabago. You might be winning 5 years ago, 6 years ago, pero ngayon baka hindi ka na ganun kapanalo. You have to look for something na bigyan mo yung manok mo para gumaling siya ulit. So, and then, di-develop mo sa line, tama yung sabi mo, pure kasi bred ni Mr. Nene Abelio, bred ni Red, bred ni Mr. E.P. Roosterbill, kaya you just have to trust yung breeder. But it's an overused word for me. Ako tinatawag ko straight bred lang sila.